How to change your birthday on Snapchat. Open Snapchat app. Tap Profile icon, top left. Tap Settings icon, top right. Tap Birthday. Tap the date of birth. Key date setting form will appear at the bottom. Scroll up or down to select the month, date and year of birth. Choose carefully, you can only change your birthday a limited number of times. Make sure the date of birth is correct. Tap Continue. Double check that the date is correct. If so, tap OK. Congratulations, your Snapchat date of birth has been successfully changed. You can also customize the display of a special smiley next to the nickname. Your friends will see it on your birthday.